Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is NikkaNadia and today we're going to do a short belly dance class together, just practicing some technique. This is going to be an intermediate class. Let's take just a few seconds to warm up. Big breath in and out. Big breath in and out. Big breath in. Out. Last time in. Put your hips side to side. Happy holidays. And squeeze side to side. Squeeze. And squeeze. And squeeze. And squeeze. Good. Back to center. Hip accent side to side. If you need a longer warm-up, I'll link one below. Engage your core. Lift up and add a glute squeeze. Squeeze your glute to the side that you're going to. Two to either side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Add a step. Walking. 2. Walking. 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Back. Drops in threes, going around in a circle. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Switch. Other side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And chest accent, side to side and up, drawing a little U shape with your chest. Boom, 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 boom. Faster. And relax, big breath in. And out. Good. And chest circle, then hip circle. Take your chest, circle it to the left. Around, hip circle to the left. Chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips. Faster, chest, hips. And turn in a circle at the same time. Chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips. Once more. Chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips. Back to center, other way, half time. Right, 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 right. Chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips in a circle. Hip, chest, hips, chest, hip, chest, hips, chest, hip, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, and back to center. Hip accent, forward, back, forward. Other side. Good. Practice going forward with that hip while you scoot forward on your supporting leg. Boom, 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 boom. Forward, back. Good. Scoop, drop, moving back. Drop, scoop, drop, scoop, drop, scoop, drop, scoop, drop. Other hip going forward, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Scoop, drop.
Lucky you were born that far away, so we could both make fun of distance. Lucky that I love a foreign land for the lucky fact.
Good. Little combo. Arm, arm, camel, camel. Arm, arm, camel, camel. Arm, arm, camel, camel. Shimmy, 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 and arm, arm, camel, camel. Shimmy, 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 and arm, arm, camel, camel. All the way down. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Last time. Arm, arm. Camel, camel. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Good. Bump and drop. Bump, bump, drop, drop. In a circle. Bump, drop, drop. Bump, bump, drop, drop. Bump, bump, drop, drop. Bump, bump, and other side. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Figure eights, front to back. And shimmy. Shimmy side to side. Now, layer it with your figure eight. Front, back, front, back, front to back, front to back. Big breath in. Let it go. Okay, let's practice drop kick, chest, chest. Drop, kick, chest, chest. Drop, kick, chest, chest. Drop, kick, chest, chest. Drop, kick, chest. Drop, kick, up, up. Drop, kick, up, up, down, down. Drop, kick, up, up, down, down. Drop, kick, chest, chest, camel, camel. Drop, kick, chest, chest, camel, camel. Drop, kick, chest, chest, camel, camel. Other side, half time. And drop, kick, chest, chest. Just that, just like the first time. Up, up. Drop, kick, chest, chest. Once more slow. kick, smile. Double time. Drop, kick, up, up.
أمريكا الشمالية أمريكا الجنوبية أمريكا الشمالية أمريكا الجنوبية
Add the camel and drop, kick, chest, chest, camel, camel, drop, kick, chest, chest.
كل الولايات بحيي بوسطن ومايكل جاكسون فيرجينيا جميلة أمريكا الشمالية أمريكا الجنوبية أمريكا الشمالية
Drop, kick, chest, chest, camel, camel, last time.
أنا جاي من شبرا الرقص ده خبرة
Shimmy,
جاي من شبرا
big breath in
عالسيك
and out.
هنرقص عالسيك
And inhale, exhale, inhale, and bow, exhale. Thank you so much for taking time to dance. Take a little bit of time to stretch. Be sure to check out my other videos, like, subscribe, and my Patreon with a private subscription coming soon with lots of fun things. Mwah.